Well, hey there, boys and girls of the YouTube world. Today I'm going to give you a little walk around update of what we got going on with Krusty. So Duff and I done a few things since last time we showed this pickup, probably the only time, and none of that stuff was really worth a video, so I was going to give a quick overview of what we did in one quick shot. Right, Duff? So I guess starting at the front here, we took the 98 Chevy front clip, grafted that on there, bumper, grill, fenders, everything. And in wiring that up, I thought it was going to be a pain in the butt, but turns out all the wire harnesses are the same color. Obviously I took the airbag stuff out since I left the stock interior in the regular cab. Got some new, I don't know, like 2010, 09, 08, whatever, 18-inch wheels, some pretty aggressive tires. That really blew the budget. Got some doors off a GMC Suburban, grafted those on there. They're not perfect, still got to paint the bottom. Got to do a couple rub rails on there, either take them all off or find a Chevy one, paint the bottoms of the doors, find the one for the cab corner. Oh yeah, we painted the cab so that it's all matching the 98 stuff. Look at that interior, pressure washed, carpet out and dash, whatnot. Oh yeah, we made the windows work with the late model 97 door panels. Still got a little bit of wrapping up to do there. I'd like to find some tan door panels. Note to self, these things are a pain to wire, and also the door panel doesn't stick out far enough to push the dome light switch, so pull the fuse on that. Found a better seat, pressure washed that out, came out real good. The old door panels actually came out pretty well, but we tossed those with the doors. Still need to find a headliner. Like to find some different door panels. Who knows, maybe we'll find a 95 to 98 dash to stick in there as well. Oh yeah, when we painted it, kind of jammed it out. Just rattle can it, bought some paint on the internet, that, I don't know, WA224 or whatever they call that tan. Matched up pretty well. Put the 98 box on it because I despise step sides. We also put the 98 bumper on it. Still got to put the 98 receiver hitch on it yet. Still looking for a tailgate. That one's a bit chewy, right, Duff? This box isn't great, but the price was right. And the cicadas are loud today. Anyway, put that cab corner in there. Showed that in another video. Still got to paint this door yet. These doors aren't the greatest, but they kind of match the rest of the pickup. Got the nicer mirrors now instead of the old ugly chrome ones. Didn't hook up the door locks or the power mirrors because the wiring wasn't in there for the power mirrors and the door locks. That's black magic how that works. Need to shim up the cab a bit to get the door lines to match up. When we put the doors on, we had to put new door pins in and get that all adjusted. They fit pretty well. So yeah, guess we gotta put that cover on there yet. That's the update on the body and interior on the old regular cab. Here's the fun stuff. It's got a pretty nasty knock to it. Not a real fan of the TBIs anyway. They're pretty turdy. So I found a 6-liter. I got a bunch of new parts sitting around, so we're gonna whammy that in there. I read that if you use the 98 gas tank out of the Vortec, you get the higher pressure fuel pump, and that should work. So we'll stick that in there. I got a bunch of parts, flywheel and stuff for the LS to put in there. I didn't buy a new clutch because that'll be the slipping point so it doesn't grenade the NV3500. We're gonna stick that in there and we're gonna let her eat. Probably gonna grenade that NV3500, so keep an eye out for an NV4500. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Click like, share, subscribe. Just want to give you guys a quick update on what we got going on in this pickup. Thanks for watching, and remember, it doesn't matter how you get it done, as long as you're having fun.